Hello everyone, this is part 2 for fingerstyle picking exercise for beginners, okay? So let's start. We're going to practice 2 fingers for now, your thumb and your index finger, and 2 strings, the first and second string. Your thumb is on the second string, your index finger is on the first string. Just no fretting, okay? No fretting hand, just open strings. So thumb, index. Very simple, right? We move it up to the third and the second string. Move it up to the fourth and third. Okay, before we continue, I want you to notice my thumb extending this way. I'm plucking it with the side of the thumb. And the index finger is away from the thumb like this. It's not on the way of the thumb, okay? It should be inside, tucked in, and plucking upwards towards your palm, like this. Your thumb is free to pluck downwards, no obstacle. No, it's not. Your index is not on the way, in the way of your thumb. Free, okay? So we continue. Next, we move it up to the fifth and fourth string. And sixth and the fifth string. That's it. Practice that. Take time with that one, all right? Next, 3 fingers. Thumb, index, middle finger. So thumb, index, middle finger. We call the thumb P, pulgar, index, middle. P-I-M, okay? Now 3 strings, the third, the second, and the first string. We're going to do the same practice. Thumb, index, middle. Now since we're practicing or plucking 3 strings, we're thinking of a time signature called 3/4 time. It's simple. You just count up to 3 each time. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. We're going to do that on these strings, okay? 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Go a little faster. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Da, 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 da. Emphasize your thumb. Okay, we stop. We move it up on the fourth, third, and second string. If you notice my pinky, it's anchored on the soundboard of the guitar. You can do that too. But if you don't want to, you can just close your hands like this. Make sure you're embracing the body of the guitar. And your thumb is kind of, not thumb, your palm is kind of holding or on top of the thicker strings that you're not fretting or not picking, okay? So it's resting right here on the bridge. So we move it up on the 5 and 4 and third string. Notice every finger has it's free from each other, meaning they're not in the way of each other, okay? Your thumb extended this way, index inwards, middle finger inwards also, free to move, okay? Next, we move it up 6, 5, and 4 string. So this time we're not muting anything with your palm. Okay, so you just move it up somewhere or leave it here, just with space. There's a space between the strings and your palm now. So don't forget the position of your fingers. Same thing. Okay, done. All right. Now let's practice 4 fingers now for fingerstyle: thumb, index, middle, and ring finger. This might sound intimidating because you have your ring finger, but we'll practice it. Okay, you have to bite the bullet. Let's go. So 4 strings now. 4, 3, 2, 1. Your thumb is on 4. Your index finger is on third string. Middle finger on second, and your ring finger is on the first string. You can practice that ring finger for now. Plucking is upwards towards your palm again. Once you get that right, we're gonna pluck all the strings one at a time. 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, that's the beginning part. Now we're gonna count it. 4 strings. We're in 4/4 time signature. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's try that. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. If it's too fast for you, you can pause the video and practice it slowly, slower. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, practice that first, pause the video, and then come back here. We're gonna play it a little faster, okay? So 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. There you go. Now we're moving it up. 5, 4, 3, and second string. There you go. If you're having trouble with the first string and hitting it, not in purpose, you can mute it with your fretting hand, first finger. But how do you mute it? You just lightly touch it and try plucking it. That's gonna mute it, okay? So just hold it like that and then continue. Let's move it up to the 6th string. Now mute the 2nd and 1st string with your fretting hand finger, any finger that you like. It should be muted, like that. Then move it up. 6, 5, 4, 3. Okay, if it's too fast, again, pause the video, slow it down. Okay, and doesn't matter what it sounds like. What you're practicing is brain and finger connection, okay, or coordination. Now let's add the left hand. Okay, so the first exercise was thumb and index on 2nd and 1st string. We're going to add that too, but first finger on the 1st fret 2nd string, 2nd finger on the 2nd fret 1st string, and then we're going to move it up until your index finger reaches the 12th fret. Okay, it's like this. You have an option to do that or let it ring both strings. We're just basically sliding the shape upwards. But I suggest practicing both, but more focused on releasing each note. Okay, like that. Now, if it's too fast, pause the video and practice it slowly. Like that, okay? Moving on to the 3rd finger, adding the 3rd finger. So thumb, index, and middle finger. 3 fingers now. Now we're moving also adding 3rd finger on the fretting hand. First finger now on the 3rd string, 1st fret. 2nd finger on the 2nd string, 2nd fret, and your 3rd finger is on the 1st string, 3rd fret, like this. So this is the shape. Now we're plucking 3 strings, so we're thinking 3/4 time. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Okay, let's start. Slow. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Just think of 1, 2, 3 for now. Pausing each time you move up the fret. Okay, now if you practice that many times and get comfortable with it, we're going to put them together, thinking 3/4 time, a little bit moderate tempo. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Okay, now you can practice a little faster than that. Let me demonstrate. There. To practice that fast, you think of groups by 2 frets at a time. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. So by thinking of groups, you won't get lost, okay? So and then you put them together until you can put them together with a steady beat, and then still thinking of groups, but you're not pausing anymore. You kind of can hear what I'm thinking. I'm still thinking of groups, even though I'm not stopping. Like that, okay? Then we move it up. On the 4th string, 3rd and 2nd, same thing. Okay, I'm just making it faster to save time, but you get the process, right? You practice it slow. We move it up again on the 5th string, and then moving it up, 4th string and 3rd string also. So, and move it up to the 6th string. Okay, now I just played it fast again for time purposes, but the process is practicing it slowly until you build up your speed that way, okay? Next is the 4 fingers. It might be intimidating. That ring finger is very difficult, yes, in the beginning, of course, but I'll show you how, okay? So 1st, 2nd, 3rd, and 4th string, but your thumb is on the 4th string. And your fretting hand, 1st finger on the 4th string, 1st fret, and then it goes down here like this on this shape. 4, 3, 2, 1 strings, but 1, 2, 3, 4th fret, okay, like this. So this might be a little uncomfortable for beginners, but the technique here is moving your wrist around until you find the comfortable spot. Usually it's just moving your wrist down a little bit, not too much, not like this, just a little, okay? And then find that loose spot. So you're not putting any pressure on the fingers, on the fretting fingers yet, okay? So just find that spot. Now, let's try it slowly. 4th string, 3rd, 2nd, and 1st string. The fingers, 4, thumb, index, middle, ring. Okay? You have an option also to fret everything like a chord. But I suggest for now, 1 note at a time. Release, 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 release. So that way you can just apply pressure to the note that you're playing. That'll save you a lot of effort, okay? Now, let's practice the ring finger. This one. Okay, that alone. Practice that first. You might find your middle finger also going up. That's fine. That's fine. Just practice that. Okay, once you had that down, we're going to try this now, going up each time, okay? So we have... until your pinky reaches the 12th fret. Now we're plucking 4 strings, so you're thinking 4 time. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right? Now we're going to practice again, slowly. Pause the video, practice it. Now if you get that down, we can practice it a little faster now by groups, and this is what's going to sound like. That's what it sounds like in the beginning. Now you can put them all together by thinking of groups without stopping, slowly this time. Then moving it up on the 5th string. By groups also. And then put them all together if you can. I'll try it a little faster now. Okay, now we move it up to the 6th string. All right, and now you get the idea, okay? So practice slow first, and then build up. Think of groups. If you want to go faster, think of two groups at a time. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, and then you end like that. Okay. All right. So I hope this helps you out. Good luck on your guitar journey. I'll see you in the next video.